say we are trying to find a good reason just to be with you. You say we are trying to find a good reason just to.
What's up? It's your girl Breather Beautician, and this week we're gonna do 2 feed-in braids with a broken heart in the middle. I'm just pressing the perimeter of her head, and the rest we're gonna do without heat because, as you can see, her hair is pretty straight.
You reached the end of a chapter. Congratulations, I'm so glad that you made it.
I'm just gonna go through and lightly trim her ends. I noticed she needed a trim.
Everything you did, you put your mind to it. I'm proud of you. Mama always said you a fighter. Put up your solo cups. Go ahead, pour that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've come. With 2 fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jumped. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2. 21 years, that's crazy. Didn't think I'd make it here, finding daily battles. So glad I broke the cycles. And I've been so stressed out, mind filled with this dark cloud. Oh, yeah,
So I'm gonna start parting the right side of the heart, and then once I get that side to my liking, I will go ahead and part the second side of the heart.
Big 2-1 now. Hey, pop to that, 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 yeah. Pop to that, yeah. To that, yeah. To that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Put up your solo car. Put that shit up.
Hey, clean parts don't happen by accident. Like, you have to put a lot of passion into your parts. So I'm gonna begin parting like the first, I guess, curve of the heart, if that makes sense. So you like, that part is gonna be smaller than the rest because it's the beginning of that, the curve of the breast of the heart.
You reached the end of a chapter. Congratulations, I'm so glad that you made it. Know that was hardship, got through the hardship. Yeah, you got through it. Everything you did, you put your mind to it. I'm proud of you. Mama always said you were.
I'm sorry, this might not be the best angle, but I promise when I do the left side of the heart, it will be a much better angle.
To the big 2-1, give it up to the big 2. 21 years, that's crazy. Didn't think I'd make it here, finding daily battles. So glad I broke the cycles. And I've been so stressed out, mind filled with this dark cloud. Oh yeah, the voices almost had me in the ground, but I'm better now. Hey, you're looking good. big two, one now. Hey, pop to that, 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 yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Put up your solo call. Do it for that shit up. Yeah, I'm doing things my way. Look how far that I've come. Little fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1.
See, I told you guys, this is a much better angle. As you can see, I am using my pinky for the first curve of the braid because that area is very tight. It's a very slim area.
You reached the end of a chapter. Congratulations, I'm so glad that you made it. Know that was hardship, got through the hardship. Yeah, you got through it. Everything you did, you put your mind to it. I'm proud of you. Mama always said you were a fighter. Put up your solo cups. Go ahead, pour that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've come. Two fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jumped. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2. 21 years, that's crazy. Didn't think I'd make it here, finding daily battles. So glad I broke the cycles. And I've been so stressed out, mind filled with this dark cloud. Oh yeah, the voices almost had me in the ground, but I'm better now. Hey, yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Staring as you should. Showing what I'm proud. Yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Happy staring as you should. Put up your solo card. Do it, put that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've gone. Little fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1.
Now I'm just gonna clean up the part that separates the two braids.
Hey, pop to that, pop to that, pop to that, pop to that, pop to that.
If you've been rocking with me, you know that I do the baby hairs last. So that's why I'm combing them out. And then I am going to use a little bit of beeswax to separate those areas. Now I'm just using the locking gel and I'm gonna go around the perimeter and in between, making slices. Once you get enough product in between, you just want to comb that through and nicely smooth the hair into the way that you plan on braiding it.
You reached the end of a chapter. Congratulations, I'm so glad that you made it. Know that was hardship, got through the hardship. Yeah, you got through it. Everything you did, you put your mind to it. I'm proud of you. Mama always said you were a fighter. Put up your solo cups. Go ahead, pour that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've come. Two fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jumped. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2. 21 years, that's crazy. Didn't think I'd make it here, finding daily battles. So glad I broke the cycles. And I've been so stressed out, mind filled with this dark cloud. Oh yeah, the voices almost had me in the ground, but I'm better now. Hey, yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Staring as you should. Showing what I'm proud. Yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Happy staring as you should. Put up your solo card. Go ahead, put that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've gone. Little fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1. Hey, pop to that, 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 yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Put up your solo call. Go ahead, put that shit up. Yeah, I'm doing things my way. Look how far that I've come. Little fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1.
We were originally gonna do like a lavender color with like a little bit of blonde, but I don't know if you guys remember, like her hair is like 3 or 4 different colors. So I kind of had some orange hair mixed with some browns, and I think this just was a much better mix than adding that lavender, because it probably would have been a lot going on if we would have went with that.
Congratulations, I'm so glad that you made it. Know that was hardship, got through the hardship. Yeah, you got through it. Everything you did, you put your mind to it. I'm proud of you. Mama always said you were a fighter. Put up your solo cups. Go ahead, pour that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've come. Two fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jumped. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2. 21 years, that's crazy. Didn't think I'd make it here, finding daily battles. So glad I broke the cycles. And I've been so stressed out.
So now I am going to curl her baby hairs, well, her adult hairs, because they're pretty long. And I just have I don't know if this is a 3/4 inch flat iron, but my tiny flat iron to curl those hairs. Click the link in the description if you guys want to order my edge control, and it smells like grapes. Oh, I love this edge control. Just watch. here's a secret tip if you made it this far. I use the crochet tool to pull those adult hairs through the braid a couple times, and it helps. It just helps it lay down better and it's not sticking out.
Give it up to the big 2 1
So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Comment, like, subscribe, and tell me any other styles you guys would like to see.
You reached the end of a chapter. Congratulations, I'm so glad that you made it. Know that was hardship, got through the hardship. Yeah, you got through it. Everything you did, you put your mind to it. I'm proud of you. Mama always said you a fighter. Put up your solo card.